Learn how to do clipping mask in Photoshop. So this is my background layer and this is my subject layer. Now I'm pressing Ctrl Z to duplicate my subject layer and then adding a new blank layer. And from tool panel, I'm selecting this ellipse tool and drawing a circle just like this. And then click on fill and select a fill color from here. And then click on stroke and you can select a stroke. Now all you have to need, drag this ellipse layer under your subject layers and then right click on this layer 1 and just click on create clipping mask. And then select your first layer and then select the brush tool. And you have to erase this part from here just like this. And here we have the final result. That's how you can actually use create clipping mask.